Overview: what are JH2 and JHB models? The Johnson-Holmquist JH family of material models is designed to simulate brittle materials under high strain rates, large deformations, and high pressures, including catastrophic fragmentation. Typical materials modeled: ceramic CC-Al2O3, glass soda-lime borosilicate, concrete at high strain rates, geological materials rock, armored tiles, brittle composites. These models are widely used in impact mechanics, terminal ballistics, penetration analysis, and explosive blast simulations within software like Abaqus, LS-DYNA, AUTODYN, ANSYS. The Johnson-Holmquist Brittle JHB model is an earlier generation constitutive model developed for simulating brittle materials subjected to extreme loading conditions. It is specifically intended for scenarios involving high pressures, high strain rates, large strains, progressive damage evolution, and fragmentation. The JHB model provides a relatively simple and robust framework for capturing brittle material behavior under dynamic loading, making it suitable for preliminary analyses and basic impact simulations. The Johnson-Holmquist II JH2 model is an advanced and more comprehensive evolution of the JHB formulation. It introduces several key improvements that significantly enhance its ability to represent brittle material response under severe conditions. One of the most important advancements is the division of the pressure-volume response into three distinct regimes: an elastic regime, a plastic compaction regime, and a fully crushed state representing complete fracture. This multi-regime formulation allows for accurate modeling of ceramic crushing under extremely high pressures. In addition, the JH2 model incorporates a more detailed damage evolution law and provides a better representation of high strain rate effects. It explicitly accounts for hydrostatic pressure-dependent strength and failure, and supports both tensile and compressive failure modes. These enhancements enable the model to capture complex failure mechanisms such as progressive fracture, crushing, compaction, and fragmentation with higher fidelity. Due to these capabilities, JH2 is widely used in advanced simulations involving armor ceramics, hypervelocity impacts, and penetration mechanics. The model has been extensively validated against ballistic experiments and is commonly employed in high-fidelity military and aerospace applications. Compared to JHB, JH2 offers significantly improved accuracy, particularly in modeling high-pressure behavior, compaction, and fragmentation processes. While JHB remains useful for basic brittle failure analyses, JH2 is the preferred choice for detailed ceramic impact and penetration simulations where precise representation of material behavior is required. These modeling approaches have a wide range of applications across several engineering sectors. In military and defense engineering, they are extensively used for the analysis and design of ceramic armor plates, transparent armor systems, and hard armor solutions for vehicles subjected to ballistic threats. In the aerospace field, they play a critical role in simulating hypervelocity impacts and in modeling space debris shielding systems, where materials are exposed to extremely high strain rates and impact energies. In civil and mining engineering applications, these methods are applied to rock blasting simulations, impact loading on concrete structures, and penetration problems involving geological formations. In the automotive industry, they are used to analyze the failure of glass and other brittle components subjected to impact or dynamic loading conditions. Within these applications, the Johnson-Holmquist material models are essential tools for simulating brittle materials under high strain rates and high pressures, such as ceramics, glass, and geological materials. The Johnson-Holmquist Beissel JHB model represents a simpler and more robust earlier formulation, while the Johnson-Holmquist II JH2 model is an enhanced version that provides improved accuracy and is widely used in advanced ballistic and impact simulations. Both models enable engineers to capture key physical phenomena, including damage initiation, progressive fracture, crushing and compaction, fragmentation, and penetration or perforation processes. In this comprehensive course, you will explore the fundamentals and advanced concepts of JH2 and JHB brittle damage analysis and simulation using Abaqus software. Through 12 detailed, hands-on tutorials, you will gain both theoretical understanding and practical simulation experience. Each tutorial includes step-by-step video, Abaqus model files, codes, and a relevant research paper to support your learning. The course covers a wide range of advanced engineering applications, with a strong focus on numerical modeling and simulation of complex material behavior under extreme loading conditions. It includes the modeling of various materials such as ceramics, ice, glass, concrete, ultra-high-performance concrete, UHPC, granite, and similar brittle or quasi-brittle materials. These material models are applied to realistic engineering problems to capture failure, fragmentation, and nonlinear response. Key applications addressed in the course include ice-breaking phenomena and underwater explosions occurring near ice layers, where fluid, structure, and solid fluid interactions play a critical role. High-velocity impact problems are extensively studied, including garnet impact penetration, ballistic impact simulations, and the response of ceramic and silicon carbide materials subjected to extreme impact velocities. The course also examines glass and lime glass behavior under dynamic loading, emphasizing fracture and damage mechanisms. In addition, air blast analysis of composite panels is covered to evaluate structural performance under explosive loading. Advanced simulation techniques such as the coupled Eulerian, Lagrangian cell method are used to model explosions and high-velocity impacts on reinforced concrete and UHPC structures. Finally, large-scale civil engineering applications, including gravity dam modeling, are included to demonstrate how these numerical methods can be applied to critical infrastructure subjected to extreme loads. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for mechanical, civil engineering students and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.